White poet wins literary award using Asian pen name. One poem in this year's The Best American Poetry 2015, an anthology whose premise rests on definitively saying what's great prose, was written by Yifeng Cho. The poet, though, unlike what his pseudonym may suggest, is definitively not Asian. He is in fact very much Anglo-Saxon white. Michael Derek Hudson, the writer, admitted in his contributor's note that he deliberately chose a Chinese nom de plume. After Hudson's poetry was rejected at least 40 times while using his normal American white name, he decided to use a minority identity in order to suit his purpose, putting on a yellow face to get ahead in the industry, as unlikely of a sentence as that may be. Never mind China's long rich history or culture that's given people with an actual Chinese background their distinctive voice. It does seem that Hudson's pseudonym helped him out, because his poem was only rejected 9 times before it was accepted, and also included in the anthology. After Hudson's win, the talk hasn't been about the merits of his poem, but about how the poem's byline has left a sour taste in literary America's mouth. Response from netizens have been ruthless. Some equate Hudson's use of a heritage to Rachel Dolezal's use of a black identity. A couple of white people who use a racial identity when they want to, without having to deal with the identity's inherited disadvantages. But race aside, what does it mean for the literary world when a poem rejected under one name can be accepted under another name? Are we judging writing based on the byline or by the actual quality of the work?
Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter.